The local manufacturing industry is seeking to leverage Italy's food processing technologies to stem the country's persistent post-harvest losses and limited value addition. Through the Africa on the Road project, 13 Italian companies are showcasing technologies spanning irrigation systems, greenhouse solutions, food processing equipment, industrial automation, and industrial packaging with the aim of establishing long-term commercial partnerships with Kenyan manufacturers.
And to address post-harvest losses, having the right technology presents you a huge opportunity. We have seen companies that have refrigerators, for example. We've seen in places within our country, particularly in Central Province, where we produce enough tomatoes, but we cannot keep them, probably because of the lack of bulk storage.
Technology, and it's necessary, I think, to be here creating partnership between Italian producer and Kenyan producer. So not just to offer machinery for the food production, but in order to share contents, best practices, involve not only the industry, but the academia, the students, researchers, to create a great connection